nggak?
Halo.
Kita lagi ada acara family gathering. Lihat nih, udah bawa family-nya tinggal dicak lagi deketi anak saya dari pusat. Mahasiswa tengah polemik.
Hashtag ayo bikinnya.
But I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take me home? Take me home. Take me home. Take me. I'll tell you something you need to know. Nothing I can say on the phone. I'll tell you something, we have to sit close. You're the one that I miss the most. I've heard that you're happy, and maybe it's selfish of me to want you back this time. I know we decided it's better if we both were free, but it kills me now. We said our last goodbye. Won't you stay the night, even just for a moment? Perfect light, pretend we're fine, even just for a moment. Just for a moment. Even just for a moment. When you're not hurting, it's hurting me. I'm blinded by the past, I'm lost at sea.
Ya, pertama-tama saya ucapkan selamat datang kepada Deputi Eksekutif Vice President Marketing Telkom Regional 7, Pak Agus Yuda Basuki.
But it kills me now. We said our last goodbye. Won't you stay the night, even just for a moment? Perfect light, pretend we're fine, even just for a moment. Throw it all.
Ya, kontribusi teman-teman sangat luar biasa mendukung saya pada saat memimpin Makassar. Semoga dukungan